Kuya, anong masasabi mo sa vlog?
Ano masasabi mo sa tagal namin?
Ano masasabi? Kuya, umalis ka na. Si Kuya yung ano namin. Si Kuya yung tour guide namin, guys.
Anong pangalan mo, kuya?
Hi, Kuya. Meet Kuya Ronnie.
Ay, no?
Kuya, guys, wala na siyang nasabi, guys. Hi guys, so nag-stop muna tayo dito kasi didikit namin yung camera at my room. Say hi to Atlet guys, siyang ating videographer. Okay, so andito tayo ngayon sa ewan ko din, wrong turn yata. Ganun talaga, adventure.
But don't recognize yourself with every version you present. It's so far off away from the original intent. But still you were able, but it's no easier to be alone. I want you here, I need it. You to know we don't move the way that we planned it, but who the hell cares? Why does it matter the way we appear? Not to all of the fears that we share. It all becomes clear that through all uncertainty, I'd rather be. Let me in the earth, tell me this ain't my day. When you hurt me and you turn, I feel like that I'm alive.
Let's buy ice cream. Kuya, ano pong flavor?
Anong
Strawberry cheese po, ma'am.
Strawberry. Wow, gusto ko yung yellow.
Cheese.
Sarap.
Hi guys! Hello!
Yung yellow lang.
Basta kung magja-jacket tayo.
Dapat may tinapay ka
Pero ang
din.
ganda dito guys. Hi Dad! Kakamustahin natin sila. This is our view guys.
The waterfall follows.
Hi everyone! So it's already past 12. Di pa kami Ay! Diba? Oh. Diba nalagay?
Yung may sintas.
Nagsiset up pa lang. Nagsiset up pa lang kami. Hindi pa kami nagla-launch. what I'm eating. I'm eating buldak. Ganto kainit. Anyways, I love buldak. Hi guys! So, it's currently 4:20. Mainit pa rin, pero nakahanap kami ng pwesto dito sa may side ng tent. Hello guys! Magbabalot kami ng inoki for dinner. So, ito, nagluluto siya ng adobong pusit. Fresh yan, guys. So, ito yung ibang part ng place.
Did you fall a long way down? You're the only one this town has found for me. You got something I can't afford to lose. I'm running over under sky blue. You pull me closer and meet my view.
Hi, guys! Ako nagbihis ako.
Siya lang ang may ganang.
Oo.
Kasi ang sticky.
Oo. Sticky na daw, which is okay.
Not the vibe.
Yeah. So, ito, may dadaanan tayong bridge. Wow! So, yan. Magpipicture muna tayo. Kasi sayang naman yung OOTD. Pero, super sticky na talaga ako, guys.
I think I'm gonna go to sleep again and wake up alone on the floor.
So guys, it's currently 6 o'clock PM and magdi-dinner na tayo.
Is our view.
Will keep me warm. 'Cause you ought to know nothing about you makes me nervous. I feel right at home. 'Cause you ought to know nothing about you makes me anxious.
Hi guys. 8:45 na. Tapos naligo lang kami sa phase 4. Nasa phase 3 kasi ata kami ngayon. So, doon na lang kami nag-shower and all. Tapos ngayon, nakabalik na kami dito sa tent. Ayan. Sorry guys. Parang paranormal activity naman na nangyayari dito. Pero ayan, mga skincare. So next, two-step skincare lang tayo dyan.
Sugar be sweet, and the world doesn't sleep when you're falling apart. And once in a while, Prince Charming don't smile. In fact, he won't show up at all. So you and I should be human beings and not just pieces in a Oh, it's nothing new to be close to you. Sunset's a medicine at the cross street by my door. Hey, sleepwalking
Hi guys!
on the river.
Morning!
Clouds moving